What if I told you that everything you've been taught about learning a language is wrong? Memorizing endless vocabulary lists, wasting hours on grammar rules. That's not how you become fluent. In fact, it's the reason most people never do. So, what's the real secret to mastering any language? It's simpler and more powerful than you think. Let me show you. The real secret to mastering any language, whether it's English, Turkish, French, or any other, is consistent, meaningful exposure combined with active practice. Many people believe that memorizing vocabulary lists or studying grammar rules endlessly will make them fluent. But here is the truth. Language is not just knowledge, it's a skill. Just like learning to ride a bike or playing an instrument, you can't master it by reading about it. You have to actually use it. So what's the secret? Don't just learn the language, live the language. This is the secret. This means, number one, immerse yourself daily. Surround yourself with the language in real life. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, read articles, and think in that language. Your brain adapts faster when it sees the language as part of your environment, not just a subject to study. Number two, speak before you feel ready. Waiting to be perfect before speaking is the biggest mistake. Start speaking from day one, even if it's just simple sentences. Every mistake you make is a step toward fluency. Number three, learn through context, not memorization. Instead of memorizing isolated words, learn phrases and sentences. This helps you understand how words work together naturally. Number four, make it personal. Talk about your life, your experiences, your opinions. The more emotionally connected you are to what you're saying, the easier it sticks. And the last one, number five, consistency beats intensity. Practicing for 15 minutes every day is more powerful than cramming hours once a week. Small, regular practice rewires your brain faster. Why did this work for me? I didn't just study English or Turkish. I immersed myself in them. I made them part of my daily routine, spoke even when I wasn't confident, and learned from real-life situations instead of just textbooks. That's how my language skills skyrocketed. But don't just take my words for it. Watch me for a couple of minutes as I communicate with people out there in the real world, using Turkish in everyday situations.
Evet, beraber gideriz. Ben biraz Türkçe konuşayım, bakalım nasıl olur. Ev arıyorum, emlakçıya uğrayacağım. Ve işte bu kadar. Bakalım.
Ne haber abi?
Yaramaz yok, fotoğraf.
Süper.
Senden ne yapıyor?
Vallahi ev arıyorum şimdi.
Ben de diyordum ki çok uzun.
Senden haber hiç gelmedi. Dedim,
Çok uzadı bu iş. Dedim ki
Merhaba.
Artık dedim dönmesi lazım. Çok uzun kaldın ya.
Bir sene oldu ama.
Oldu mu?
Gelecek ay Şubat 15 falan sanırım. Bir sene tam.
Benden hariç tuttuğun evlerin hiçbirinde bir sene oturamıyorsun yani.
Bir daha söyle abi, anlamadım.
Benden hariç tuttuğun evlerde
aynen.
bir seneden fazla oturamıyorsun.
Bak işte bu kadar. İşte bu. Teşekkür ederim, sağ ol.
Şimdi de beraber bir pet shop'a gideriz. Prince'e biraz alışveriş yapayım.
Merhaba.
Merhabalar.
Nasılsınız?
Sağ olun. Siz nasılsınız?
Teşekkür ederim, çok sağ ol. Bir şeyler alacağım Prince'e.
Çünkü bu çok büyük bir acı.
Eşiniz nasıl?
İyidir. Siz neredeydiniz? Yoktunuz.
Evet, ben Kadıköy'e taşındım ya.
Karşıya.
Karşıya bir sene oldu abi.
Burayı terk ettiniz yani.
Ama ev arıyorum şimdi. Bak bir sene gittim, çok özledim buraları. O yüzden
Burada her tarafa ulaşmak rahat. Kadıköy biraz
çok rahat. Bir de benim arkadaşlarım hep burada.
Hep burada.
Orada biraz yani sağ olsun bir tane çok iyi komşum var. Ama yine de
yetersiz.
evet, yani 9 sene burada yaşadığım için biraz alıştım buraları, zor. Aynen.
And the best part, you can do it too. So if you've been struggling, stop thinking of language as something you study and start living it. That's the secret. And if you're not living in an English-speaking country or don't have anyone to practice with, don't worry. I've got you covered. I've made a video that shows exactly what you need to do, and you can find the link right here.